Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre,
and welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm Card
Toys,
and Travel. At meron kaming gagawin ngayon. Maglalaro kami ng 1 to 10. Yung nauuso sa TikTok. So,
Last game before I go to somewhere.
yes, and we'll open something else then. So, let's play the game. 1,
1,
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10.
Okay. 5 is now 5. Okay?
Hindi, 5 is fiber.
No, 5.
Fiber na yan.
Hindi, 5. O, sige, fiber. 5 is fiber. O,
1,
2,
3,
4,
fiber,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10. O, ikaw, anong papalitan mo? Hindi na pwede yung 5.
7 will be 7-Eleven.
Okay. 1,
2,
3,
4,
fiber,
6,
7-Eleven,
8,
9.
10.
um, 6 is 6, 7. Ikaw, go.
1,
2,
3,
4,
fiber,
6, 7,
7-Eleven,
8,
9,
10. Ikaw na. So, 4 and 5, wala na. Ano?
9 will be night.
Ano? So, ano? 5, 6, and 7, wala na. Ano na?
9 will be night.
Okay. 1,
2,
3.
fiber.
Balik
Ay!
Ulit.
Jogging.
1,
2,
3,
4,
fiber,
6, 7,
7-Eleven,
8,
night.
10.
Okay. Hindi dapat pala walang ano kasi naano natin eh. So 1, 2 is wala nang 2. There's no more 2. Okay, go.
1,
3,
4,
fiber,
wait, you said 5, right? So 6, 7,
7-Eleven,
8,
night.
10.
Okay, go.
1 will be One Piece.
1 will be 1 piece. O sige. 1 piece.
2.
Wala nang 2 eh.
Ay,
Wala nang 2, talo ka na. 2 beses ka na talo. Anyway, that's
let's
it.
open, let's open.
No,
You said.
open ngayon. O isa lang kasi wala na tayong mabubuksan
Sige,
mamaya.
wag na yan.
Hindi,
Mamaya
kasi-
na lang, mamaya.
Buksan natin yung isa. Kasi nag-apat na to eh. Okay. Okay, we'll be opening FB08.
Let me be the one.
Sige.
Because to,
Sa baba mo, gusto mo ako na magbukas para hindi masira?
because mamaya
Sayang naman.
mamaya is what?
Yung natitira.
Yung mamaya is, I open because I will get one.
Ewan ko.
Come,
So, FB08 ang bubuksan natin now.
you look,
one-
we got
one pack.
Wiz.
Swiss.
Android. Android.
Android 18. Kasi yan na yan, yung sa Tournament of Power. Pakita mo. Sila yan, nakalimutan ko pa nga na yun.
He looks like a bear from, who eats only from a cartoon. I forgot his name.
Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
Looks like Winnie the Pooh.
But fat version.
Si Cell. Perfect Cell. And meron pa?
Vegeta.
And
Rare. Brock,
si Brock.
I think.
Pero dati English to mga to eh. Diba? Ito ang nakuha natin. Ayaw mag-focus ah.
You know what I'm wearing a
Yeah.
uniform. You know
Okay.
why I'm wearing a uniform on Saturday? It's a secret.
So anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye.